Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Children Rock. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. Thanks for stopping by. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this poncho or turtleneck bubu dress with a side opening. Okay, if this is something that you're interested on, please stay with me. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so this is how it looked like. It's a very simple beginner friendly tutorial. It's something that you can just do it in within 30 minutes. You're done. Okay, so the material I use doesn't require a lot to stitch, so it's only the neckline and the hemming part that I need to be sewn. Okay, so let's get started. So on the table, I have carbon paper here. I'm going to make use of it for a moment, okay? So here is the fabric I'm going to be making use of. This is premium Kampala fabric, okay? It's a Ankara material, but what they wrote there is premium Kampala fabric, and this is 3 yard. I'm going to be making use of 3 yard, okay? All right. All right, guys, let's get started. I'm going to start with the carbon paper. I'm going to do a demo on you, show you how I'm going to fold my fabric, okay? Let's assume this is my fabric and it's 3 yard long, okay? I'm going to fold it into two like this so that I can have a total of 1.5 yard long, okay? So I have folded so it become 1.5 yard, not 3 yard again, okay? So you're going to fold it in a manner that the shoulder is not going to be cut, okay? The shoulder is going to remain full. The only part that you're going to sew, you're going to cut at is the neckline and then the length of your dress, okay? How long you want it to be, all right? So let me assume that this is my fabric. So I'm going to arrange it like this, and then once I don't arrange it like this, so I will now have to fold it this way. Okay, I'm going to fold my fabric this way. So let me assume this is my fabric. Okay, so once I've done folded like this, and then I'm going to place my tape on the shoulder line. Okay, and then I'm going to be imputing my neck width of 3 inches. So if you're on a small size, okay, use the neck width of 3 inches by 3.5 inches neck depth, okay, from the front. Okay, the back is 2 inches neck depth, the front is 3.5 inches neck depth. So I first of all use 3 by 3. So when I done with the fabric, I tried to size it on my head. It wasn't passing through, so I have to go back and increase it to 3.5 inches neck depth. That is the front neck depth I'm talking about. Okay, so I level it. This was a wrong measurement, so please don't use this measurement. Use a neck width of 3 inches by 3.5 front neck depth. Okay, the back is 2 inches neck depth, while the front is 3.5 inches. So once I'm done like this, I'm going to cut it. So this same method is not going to work on my fabric, okay, because my fabric is bigger. So I'm showing you how I'm going to be doing it in case if you didn't get the clear picture. Okay, so once I don't cut it like this on my fabric, all right, make sure the crease line show very well so that you can be able to take it this way, and then you're going to fold it like this. Okay, this is what I'm going to do to my fabric. I'm going to fold it like so. All right, so then once if I don't fold it like this, then I'm going to cut out the front neck depth. Okay, so I'm going to cut the front neck depth just the way you see me doing. This is what I'm going to be doing on my fabric. I'm still going to go through it. Okay, I'm still going to go through it a bit when I'm going to cut on my fabric. So the main purpose here is for you to understand it proper with the carbon paper before we proceed to the fabric, okay? Because on the fabric, I will be already arranged my fabric down before we start taking all the measurements. So this is what I'm going to be doing to my fabric, okay? So here is my fabric that I talked about. Okay, I've already arranged my fabric already. So this is how I fold my fabric, okay? My fabric is 3 yards long, and then I fold it times 2 again. It gives me 1.5 yards long. So and then I fold it back again. So this is it, okay? So I have my front and my back piece here. So this is 4 pieces that I have here on the table, okay? So that is how it is. That is how you should arrange your fabric, okay? So the next thing now, I'm going to start by imputing my measurement. So like I said earlier that I made a mistake with the neck depth. That is my front neck depth, okay? I took the neck width of 3 inches. Then I took the neck width of 3 inches from the neck front neck depth and 2 inches for the back neck depth. The back neck depth is okay, 2 inches if you're on a small size. So once I don't take this measurement, I will connect my neckline. And the next thing, I'm taking my dress length. So the dress length I use is 40 inches, okay? I'm not too tall and I don't want it to be on the floor, so I make use of 40 inches. So this is what I'm marking here, okay? So once I'm done now, I'm going to cut this excess out and that will be it. Move on to the neckline. I trim off the neckline just the way I explained to you on the carbon paper, okay? Make sure you arrange this front part proper, and then you're going to take it out from there and arrange it, okay? Arrange it in the manner where you will be able to cut out your front neck depth, all right? So because I will not be able to show you how I did it, that is why I did it on my carbon paper. So this is how it's looking like now, okay? This is the back side, and then this is my front neckline where you see chalk here. So I'm going to trim off the front neck depth now out, okay? So like I said earlier that the one I used was too smaller for my head to go through. So I have to add additional 0.5 inch again so that for my head to go in. So you're going to be making use of 3 inches neck width and 3.5 inches neck depth, okay, for the front. So I have labeled this back and front, okay? So if you're on a bigger size, you use 4 inches by 3.5 inches, okay? 4 inches neck width and 3.5 inches neck depth for a bigger size. So this is how it's looking like now. So the next thing now, I'm going to make a notch for my center back, or you can make a notch anywhere that you just need to get a proper accurate round neck measurement, okay? So I made a notch from the center back, and then I'm going to open it this way so that I can take my measurement round to get the round neck measurement so that I can be able to cut out my collar, okay? So like I said, I use 3 inches front neck depth. So when I finished with this measurement, it actually gave me 20.5 inches, which was smaller, okay? So but I later correct the mistake while I was joining my collar, okay? So I'm going to get this fabric like this so that I can cut out my collar. So I need to cut this one off. So this was long enough for my collar. So the total neck round neck I later have, it was 23 inches, okay? So this way I'm folding this is how I want my collar stand to be. That is the length of my collar stand, and you have to fold it into two, okay? Fold it into two so that, I don't know how to explain this part, but fold into two before you take your measurement. So I took a 6.5 inches. This is the original measurement I took from the original collar that I used for the dress, okay? 6.5 inches, but it's on fold. So this 6.5, it has to be on fold, okay? So after I have finished taking this, drawing out the line, and I'm going to take my round neck measurement, which was 23 inches plus 1 inch joining allowance. So I will be using that 1 inch joining 1 inch to join for sewing stitching allowance, okay? So once I'm done with the cutting, I'm going to open it like this, okay? Just the way you see me doing, and then I'm going to fold it this way. All right, so I'm going to fold it like this, and then I will go back to my sewing machine to stop stitch it from this edge, okay? I'm going to go and sew it from this line with 0.5 inch. So I have done sewing it, so this is how it's looking like, okay? So let me show you how you're going to fold your collar back, okay? Like I say, you were meant to fold it into two before you take the width of the length of your collar. So this is what I have at the end of the day. So I have here 6.5 inches, the length. No, yes, the width, or yes, the length, okay? So after I've done arrange it like so, I'm going to place it on my fabric, okay, or my yeah, on my dress to fix it to the neck, fix the neckline. Okay, you're going to turn your dress to the right side, to the wrong side rather. Okay, turn it to the wrong side, and then you're going to get your collar. Okay, you're going to find the midpoint of the back. The part where you join together is going to be automatically the back. Okay, so I'm going to fix it inside just the way you see me doing. Okay, this part where I stitch, and then you find the midpoint of the back, and then you're going to fix it inside like this, and then you're going to pin it. So once I'm done pinning this round, I will go back to my sewing machine to join it. Okay, so you make sure you pin. Okay, make sure you pin it so that it will not disturb you when you are going to start joining. Okay, so I hope you understand my explanation on this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and subscribe if you're yet to do so. So I'm going to go and join it with 0.5 inch. I will be back. So here it is. This is the final result, guys. I so much love the outcome of this dress. I wasn't even expecting it, but it turned out nice. Okay, it's one of this outfit that when you put it on, you look like that can rich auntie, like that has so much money. you know. So this is the kind of vibe that this dress gives. Okay, so I hope you will recreate yours. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I so much appreciate you guys all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe if you're yet to do so. Hit the subscribing button and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you will not miss out on any of my sewing tutorial. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much. I will see you on my next tutorial. Bye.